In this video, I will explain how to change oil and filters on the Liebel's vacuum pump. According to manual, a regular oil change should be performed every 1,000 hours. Sometimes you will get an early warning or a fault. It is important to follow instructions. Ecoclean machines use different pumps for a specific task. Models like Ecoclean Compact, Ecoclean Core, and Ecoclean Wave, just to name a few, use Liebel's pump to create vacuum, and a booster pump to feed more air into the vacuum pump. In the front of the vacuum pump, we have the label, which tells us information about the pump like the year, the model, and which oil it uses. On the right side, we have the exhaust, pressure sensor cap, and the extraction nozzle valve. And on the left side, we have the oil filter. To change oil, we'll first have to turn off the system. Now we're going to take out the pressure sensor cap. Some models will only have a black cap with a 12mm socket for an Allen key to take out. This model had a pressure sensor. Once we have taken out the cap, then we will open the nozzle to drain the oil into an external container. Once we have taken out the oil, then we're gonna close the valve and take out the oil filter. Once the oil filter has been replaced, we'll fill the vacuum pump with oil. We're gonna fill it from the pressure sensor cap hole until the side glass gets to around 3/4 of the level. Also, remember to put back the pressure sensor and tighten it. Finally, we're gonna go to the HMI and click on Machine, Maintenance, Perform Vacuum Pump Oil Change. On the top in the middle, there will be a button that says Acknowledge Oil Change. We're gonna click and hold this button until it resets the hours on the current operation time section. Now we're gonna turn on the system key on. We're gonna go into the home screen, go automatic mode, home position, and turn on the heaters.
Ecoclean, technology that inspires.